Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about how clean your ad accounts are.
If only there were a smaller one to clean this one.
A lot of times on my consulting calls, and mostly on the Chosen 5, I do see people being really emotional with their ad accounts, and I will explain. So I go there and I see that while they're working with average results, they are having psychological barriers for specific campaigns. Let's say, for example, we have one dropshipper that he used to have one product that worked well for him. It's not working anymore, but he's keeping the campaign because it's like the previous girlfriend that he had, that he remembers the good moments and all of that. And now that's not profitable, it's just keeping it there with the hope that it's going to work again. The second thing that I see is people that they have a creative which was working, now it's not working anymore, and they keep using it again and again and again. And they are trying to make it work again, or believe that it's going to work eventually, but it's not working, but they keep keeping it there. And this is happening not with one campaign, with another. So when you are working with average results, you need to follow the rules of the average results. You just not making your ad account a junkyard of previous memories or emotional campaigns that they have been working for you, because guess what, if you keep having them there, eventually they're going to be unprofitable even on the maximum period, which means that you spend all of this money for no reason. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has Chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you, so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. And to be honest with you, this is one of the easiest fixes. So imagine this, imagine that you are in a new house, and I also in this house, when I started, I wanted it to be minimal. But as the time passed by, and of course, after one baby, everything comes inside, it looks crowded and all of that. The same thing happens on another account. While it looks beautiful on the beginning and everything is in order, then you have this campaign from the past, another campaign from the past, and all of that. And all of that is making it crowded, dirty, a junkyard.
This place has gone to hell.
And basically, you are having all of these campaigns that are influencing your average results, but you are too emotionally attached to them so that you can remove them. And I'm giving a very good and simple suggestion to people that are doing this. And the suggestion is this. Imagine that this is not your ad account. You know nothing about the campaigns, the creatives, nothing. And this is just a friend of yours. And he's telling you, can you check my ad account to see how it's doing and give me your honest opinion about it? And what you're doing is that you're watching it from the perspective that you don't know anything about it, just pure numbers. You're going to see that you're going to start closing campaigns one after the other, because the hope that you're having that they're going to work again, it doesn't mean that it's going to happen. And the money that you're losing on this period, it doesn't mean that it's going to help you. I'm seeing also another thing, people are just keeping them on very low budgets. In case they start working again, they can increase the budget and all of that. Don't do all of these kind of things. Just understand that Facebook ads is a dynamic thing and that the situation is going to change. Don't be attached into campaigns. Just be attached to the numbers. Understand the numbers, what's the average results. Don't be emotionally attached to campaigns that worked in the past for you. Just keep moving on, finding new things all the time. And this is what is going to make you have better results on that account, instead of piling up campaigns that are hurting your average results. Sometimes you're not having problem with your new ads, but the problem is all the old that you have that they are influencing your average results and that they don't help you have a profitable ad account. Of course, this is not happening on a new ad account or a smaller ad account. It's happening on ad accounts that they're having some decent spend and they're doing multiple campaigns and all of that. And you need to have the courage to actually admit that this campaign has to go, even if you had so much fun with it, scaling it, making profits with it. So let's become better with this. Start seeing it from the perspective of numbers and start doing the exercise that I told you. Let's say that this is not your ad account, you know nothing about it, just criticize the campaign as they are now. Of course, I'm not telling you that if you're having just 5 bad days with a campaign, you should go to the other side and just close it immediately. You're going to be a little bit flexible on the good periods and bad periods as we discussed, but I'm seeing periods having campaigns for 5 months, 6 months without any good results, and this is what I would like to address with this video today. Of course, all of these are things that I'm seeing on other accounts. It's not like I woke up and I said I'm going to do this video today. It's something that I have seen again and again and again on other accounts, this emotional thing of campaigns that they worked in the past. And these are things that you can also see on my Chosen 5 sessions inside the course if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, along with other things, except from optimization, working with average results and everything else that we're discussing in this channel. You can see the free part if you haven't decided yet. You can check also the Trustpilot reviews. I'm having also a discount for the Black Friday period with 50% off. You will never find this price again, maybe until next year. I have also my mentorship program. Over there, all the spots are filled also, but we can talk about the next year. If you want, you can send me a message and we can find the solution. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.